Welcome children. Now I am going to explain exponents and powers through this video. This lesson is common for both 7th standard as well as for 8th standard. So 8th standard children, if you study this one strong, then you don't have any doubt in your 8th standard concept also. Everything is same, only slight changes is there in your 8th standard. That slight changes we can learn directly in our 9th standard itself. So first learn this basic properly. Okay, what is exponents and powers? Exponents, that is, we may come across this kind of informations, that is 10,000. How can we write 10,000? 10,000 can be written as 10 into 10 into 10 into 10, right? So this can be written in short form, that is standard form, as 10. That is, in this, which is the base, which is the number is repeating, this 10 is repeating, so write only one time. And how many tens are there? Just count how many tens are there. 1, 2, 3, 4. That we want to write it on the power. So let me tell you what is base and what is power. Here is I told you 10 power 4. In this 10 power 4, the number which is right in the down, that is called base. A portion of this number is base, and which is right at the top, the number which we are writing at the top is called power. Okay, so what is this denotes? 10 power 4 denotes we want to multiply the base into the number of times. This power denotes number of times. What is the meaning of power? Power denotes number of times. So what we want to write? We want to write 10. How many times? 4 times with multiplication symbol. Like this only we want to express the number as a power. Suppose 2 power 8. If it is given like this, what should do? What is the base in this number? The base is 2. This is base, okay? And this is power. So how to find? So suppose if question is asked, find the value of 2 power 8. Then how to find? We want to multiple this 2 how many times? Want to multiple 2 how many times? 8 times. That is 2 into. This power denotes multiplication. You should not add, or you should not subtract, or you should not divide. Only multiplication. So we should multiple this 2 how many times? 8 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then as usual, that is, first multiple these two numbers and write the answer. 2 2s are 4 into 2 2s are 4 into 2 2s are 4 into 2 2s are 4. Again, like this also you can write the step by step answer, or you can write the direct answer also, no issues. After this, multiple this first. 4 4s are 16 into 4 4s are 16. What is 16 into 16? If you don't know this, you can do in your rough column and find the answer also, no issues. 256. 2 9 plus 6 5 remainder 1, 256. Like this also we can find the answer. So what is the meaning of this 2 power 8? Which means we should multiply the number, which number? Base number into the number of times. This is called the power and the exponent. Okay. Suppose if they ask us to find the given number, which is the greatest number or which is smaller number, which is greater? 2 power 5 or 5 power 2? If they are asking question like this, it's very simple to find the answer. I'll tell you 2 ways. One is actually what you want to do. No, we want to find value first. After finding that, I'll tell you another way, that is shortcut. First, let us take 2 power 5. What is the meaning of this 2 power 5? 2 power 5 denotes 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. How to multiple? Take two numbers. 2 2s are 4 into 2 2s are 4 into, anyway this is not, this don't have any pair, but write the number as it is. Now 2 to 4 4s are 16 into 2, or you can multiple as a with any combinations. 16 into 2 is 32. So answer of 2 power 5 is 32. This is 2 power 8. Now they ask us to find which is greater. So we found the value of this 2 power 5. Then find the value for 5 square. What is the meaning of 5 square? Which means we want to multiple 5 how many times? 2 times, because power is 2. So 5 into 2, which means 5 into 5, which is 25. Therefore this 5 square. See, so we can tell the power 2 as square. Okay. So sometimes you may not get confused that why I am telling this as 5 square. If power is 2, we can tell it as square. If power is 3, we can tell it as cube. Only this numbers will have the specific name. Now, what is the value of this? The value of this is 32 and the value of 5 square is 25. In this, which is greater? The greater value is 32. That is, what is the actual value of 32? The greater number is, actual value of 32 is 2 power 5. This is the actual procedure which we want to find. Or otherwise, one shortcut I told you, no? Or otherwise, the shortcut is check the power. One number is 2 power 5 and the another number is 5 square, right? Check the power. Which power is the maximum value, that is greater value? This one, that is 2 power 5. So then the greater number is 2 power 5. Like that also we can find. Power in the number kadhigama irukko, that will be the greater number. Either you can write like this or you can write like this. Both answers are correct. Okay, meet you in the next video.